Hello mga ka-G, ito na po ang ating finished product. Yan, ganda ng pilik mata ko, di ba?
First, place the makeup pad under your eye. Dip the cotton buds in coconut oil. Rub it gently. Rub it back and forth. And do it again, back and forth. Rub it downward. Do it gently to come off the permanent eyelashes. Be patient because you don't want to lose your natural eyelashes. Get new makeup pad and dip it in coconut oil. Start now to rub on your eyelashes. Remember just to be gentle to pull out the natural eyelashes. You will see the permanent eyelashes extension in your makeup pad. Rub it again, back and forth, until you're done. If you will ask me, yes, it looks great. However, it was not convenient for everyday routine. Nothing beats the natural eyelashes. I cannot clean my eyes properly, and at the middle of the night, it was very itchy and I cannot rub it off because I'm afraid that my natural eyelashes will come out as well. It was painful, and I will not do it again unless there is important occasion. For you guys, mga ka-G, I will not recommend it to you.
Hi mga ka-G! If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Ito po si Hanido Castillo Bonifacio na nagsasabing ano man ang haba ng iyong buhay, go, go, go lang! Tara na mga ka-G!